In this video I am going to be showing you how to draw a cute cat. I'm starting out with a larger circle shape and then a neck and a curved line for the body. This is going to be a smaller cat, so you're gonna have to draw the legs smaller, look smaller. And some larger, but the head and the eyes larger. Also, don't forget to draw the mouth smaller because it's gonna be a cuter look then. And also fluffy tail. Don't forget to add the fluff because the fluff is cute. Now I'm doing the usual black line art with the marker. Like the what I'm doing here is adding the fur, cleaning up the sketch, and finishing up the pose, and adding some more fluff to the drawing. The black eyes, the small nose and mouth. I later decided to add a little bell thing on it and a heart to show how cute it is, and it loves you. This cat loves you. Tell me it's friends when this cat loves you. Look at it, it's just adorable. I added some blue eyes and some pink to the ears. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more drawing videos.